Hi there, SharePoint enthusiasts. Today we're gonna talk about SharePoint's new AI-powered FAQ Webpart, a tool that lets you create professional FAQ pages in just minutes using your existing documents. Let's dive in. Here I am in my SharePoint site. First, I'll click New to create a page. Then select Create Blank to start from scratch. Let's give it a title, Employee Benefits FAQ, and add a nice header image. I'll remove this text web part and add a new one. Under the AI category, you'll find the new FAQ web part powered by Copilot. Here's where it gets interesting. The AI needs to work with source content, so I'm uploading our employee handbook. This'll be the foundation of our FAQ. I'll keep the purpose as general, but you can choose event or product depending on your needs. You can also add specific instructions to guide the AI. For example, I'll type "Focus on the employee benefits." Click Start and watch the AI work. It's automatically created categories based on my document. I can reorder by dragging and dropping them any way I like. These are perfect, but if I want to, I can change them or create new ones. Next step, draft questions. The AI generates relevant questions for each category. I can tweak these too if I want to. The AI automatically pulls information straight from our documents to build complete responses. Here's the cool part. If the answer exists in our data source, you know it's accurate because it's coming directly from our actual company content. Of course, if the information isn't in the data source, the answer will be left blank, and you'll have to answer that manually. Now let's publish the page and look at the results. As you can see, everything is conveniently laid out in collapsible sections, which is precisely what you'd expect from an FAQ. So it's very user-friendly. And there you have it. An FAQ page in just under 3 minutes. A nice time saver for the busy professional.